Welcome to the channel, and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's the Mad Hatter with Mad Hatter Bags here. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day today. Y'all, today I have a really special review on these really cool shirts. They are golf polos that I just love. If you've been watching my channel for very long, I'm sure you've seen me wear a few of them. I've gotten 2 or 3 that I really love, and they've become my favorite shirts that I wear when I'm not working, but they're really comfortable and I will tell you all about them. But before I tell you about these shirts and I show you the new ones that I just got in the mail here, ta-da, it just came yesterday, so I want to unbox this and share it with everybody on the channel. So we'll unwrap this and see the polos that I got. They're really cute and vibrant prints, so can't wait to show you those. But before I do that, I do want to say thanks to everybody that is returning to the channel to watch my content. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, y'all please go ahead right here, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell notification as well so you know every time I have a new post. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, please hop on over. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, my Rumble channel, and now X as well. And I do post high quality images of everything I review on my Instagram page if you'd like to check that out as well. And lastly, if you're enjoying my content and enjoy this video, if you could hit the thumbs up button and give me a like, it really does help my channel to grow. And I do appreciate y'all for doing that. So with all that out of the way, let's go ahead. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about this brand. It's called Sunday Swagger, and they have these golf polos and other products as well, and I'm gonna tell you all about it. And then y'all will unwrap the package that I just showed you, and I think it has 4 golf polos in it from Sunday Swagger. So after we unwrap the package, I'll model the shirts for you, and I'll let you know a little bit more about Sunday Swagger, and also give you that discount code. The discount code will be in the description of this video, so if you're interested in getting any of these shirts for your man or for you or for anybody in your life that you think would like these shirts or these products, go ahead and use my discount code for 15% off. Let's go ahead, let me tell you a little bit more about Sunday Swagger. Sunday Swagger takes a step away from the ordinary with lifestyle apparel. Through bold prints, vibrant colors, and eye-catching patterns, their vision was to develop polos with personality that come to life. Style meets performance as each polo is crafted with their signature 4-way stretch fabric that provides moisture management, breathability, and UPF of 40 sun protection for all-day comfort. With Sunday Swagger, you can look cool and stay cool on and off the course with Sunday Swagger Performance Golf Polos. Sunday Swagger has men's polos, women's polos, hats, his and her matching polos, his and her outerwear, youth and golf t-shirts, and other bright colored accessories. And for breast cancer awareness in 2024, Sunday Swagger has paired up with the Susan G. Komen Foundation and brought you these really beautiful polos for men and women that are inspired by a local artist and a survivor of cancer. 100% of proceeds will be donated to the Susan G. Komen Foundation, so go ahead and check these beautiful polos out. All right, y'all, now that you know a little bit more about Sunday Swagger, let's go ahead and open up this little package that they sent me with my polos so I can show you the really beautiful polos that they have. And y'all, like I said, I've been wearing these polos for a while. I just really come to love them, and they're my favorite shirts. I don't really wear a whole lot of anything else when I'm not at work. Of course, when I'm working, I do wear a uniform, but let's take these out and see how they are. They come packaged really nicely, and they're all folded real nicely in their own little individual packages. Let's take them out and I'll show you each one. And of course, like I said, I'll model them for you and show you each one that I have. So I got the Party Animal, Sizzlin', Turtle Bay, and Goat. So let's see. I'll just show you up close here. This is the first one in the little package. And I'll show you each package here, and then I'll show them on so that you can see, and I'll let you know the names and the prices of these. This one has a really nice palm tree print on it, and it's really pretty. But they all come individually wrapped, which I really like, and have their own little bag. This one's gonna be pretty too, I can tell you. This one right here I bought because I'm gonna go see Taylor Swift soon, and I just thought it would be perfect. So I will show you that one as well. Let me try them on so you can really see these shirts. All right, y'all. This shirt is called Midnight, and it retails for $59. And like I said, all of these shirts are in the 3X size. I just love the stretchiness of them and how they fit. The collar always feels good on my neck. Everything holds up after time too. I've had some shirts about 6 months and they all have held up really well. The color doesn't fade, and the material doesn't get any of those fuzzies like you get around your collar from your beard. This one I've had for a while as well. It's called Nightcat. One of my favorites because of the leopard print. Just very festive. Just a really fun shirt. It has the Sunday Swagger tag on each sleeve. And these shirts just feel really comfortable and cool. And if you get sweaty or hot outside, they dry in no time. So let's move on to some of the newer ones I got here. This is one of the newer ones I just got in this package. It's called Turtle Bay, and I just love the light colors. It almost looks like a cotton candy. The camera doesn't really show off the color here very well. It does have more of a brighter blue color with the pink, and I just love the palm fronds on it. Very, very nice, and it fits just as perfect as any of the other shirts too, and feels really comfortable. This one is going to be the one I wear to Taylor Swift. I just think it's very festive, and I love zebra print. Such a cute shirt, and the black and red together is such a good combination and contrasts so well together. Can't wait to wear this one. Now y'all make sure to let me know which one is your favorite in the comments. I think this might be mine. This one is called Sizzlin', and y'all, it just is sizzling. This one right here, y'all, reminds me of being in Palm Springs for some reason. I just love that pink color and the black palm trees. So cute. And y'all, I live in the South, so I pretty much wear these all year round. It doesn't really get cold here but a couple of months a year, so I can wear these anytime I want, really. And lastly, y'all, this one is called Party Animal. I just think it's adorable too. I love the cat print on it. And I love the contrast as well on it. The black is really, really nice. It actually looks a little bit different off of camera too, but a lot better in person. So this is one of my favorites as well. I hope everybody enjoyed me showing off these shirts. Y'all please let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section. And y'all don't forget to use my discount code if you're interested in any shirt. It's in the description of this video. All right, y'all, there you go. You got to see how these shirts look on, and you got to see a little bit of a sample of some of the prints that they have. And y'all, like I said, I love these shirts because they are so comfortable, soft, stretchy. They don't fade when you wash them. I've just had a really good experience with them. This shirt here, the leopard print one that I've had, I've worn this one probably about 6 months, and y'all, it hasn't faded. The color still looks just as good as it did when I got it. And the buttons and stuff, I have a problem with polos around the edges of the collar because of my beard and stubble. It sometimes will get kind of frayed and fuzzy with cotton and stuff, but this material, as you can see, has none of that, which I really love. And the color of these shirts, they just hold up. They don't fade. So they're really, really nice. And I'll just show you these that I got again. Okay, so here is the first one here. This is the Party Animal. And of course it has the tag and all on it. These shirts that I have are all 3X size, so if you're wondering about the size on me, that is the size. But I really do love all of these prints, and they just feel so good against your skin. Here's the one with the palm trees. This one right here looked a little bit different on camera, but it's actually in person more like what you would see on the website. So I think the lighting here just looks a little different, but I really do love this color as well in person. And of course, the one that I'm gonna wear to Taylor Swift in this zebra print is really exotic and cute. So if you have anybody in your family that you think might want one of these, make sure you check out sundayswagger.com. And y'all, I do appreciate y'all watching my video, and thanks for coming and seeing this review. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I gave you enough information about sundayswagger.com. They're a great company, and I don't usually promote stuff unless I really like it and use it myself. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Y'all don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and don't forget to give this video a like before you leave. I do appreciate that. Y'all have a wonderful day. I'll see y'all on my next review, okay? Bye.